When your hair is craving a little extra TLC, what do you reach for? If you're struggling with damage, frizz, or lackluster locks, finding a treatment that can rebuild and restore might feel like searching for a needle in a haystack. But what if one product could help transform your hair from the inside out? That's exactly what we're looking at today with the dalla Palma Cheraplex Instant Action Hair Rebuilding Kit. It's a two-step shock action treatment that promises to rebuild, repair, and hydrate all hair types, even the most damaged ones. Before we get into the nitty-gritty, let me quickly remind you to hit that subscribe button and tap the bell icon so you never miss an honest review here on Beautyistic. Now let's dive into the details of this product. The dalla Palma Cheraplex Hair Rebuilding Kit is a professional-grade treatment that comes with two steps. The first step is a rebuilding phase designed to strengthen and restructure hair, while the second step focuses on hydration, sealing in moisture to smooth the strands and add a glossy shine. It's enriched with a high-protein complex that targets even the most damaged hair, promising to restore softness, vitality, and smoothness. Plus, it's formulated to reduce frizz and leave your hair looking glossy from root to tip. In terms of how it feels when you use it, the application is quite simple. You start with the first step, the rebuilding phase, which you apply to damp hair. It's a smooth, creamy formula that coats the hair evenly, making it easy to work through even long or thick strands. You leave it on for a few minutes before rinsing and moving to the second step, the moisturizing phase. This step is rich and hydrating, leaving your hair feeling silky and nourished. After the treatment, my hair felt significantly smoother, and I noticed that my usual frizz was kept in check. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons. On the pro side, this treatment really works wonders when it comes to moisture. The hydration it provides is noticeable almost immediately, and after just one use, my hair felt softer, shinier, and looked much healthier overall. The glossy shine it imparts is definitely one of the standout features. I also love that it's a two-step system, which makes the treatment feel like a mini salon experience at home. Plus, it's professional grade, so you're getting high-quality ingredients that can address real damage. However, one potential downside is the price. It's definitely positioned as a luxury treatment, and while the results are impressive, it's not the most affordable option for those on a tight budget. Additionally, I'd recommend this product for hair that's already somewhat healthy or at least not severely damaged. If your hair is extremely brittle or over-processed, the effects may not be as dramatic as you'd hope. When considering value for money, I'd say the dalla Palma Cheraplex Instant Action Hair Rebuilding Kit justifies its price if you're looking for a high-quality, effective treatment. It's certainly not the cheapest option, but for the results, it's hard to argue with the professional-grade performance it delivers. Comparing this to other hair treatments on the market, you're going to find similar products, but most don't offer this two-step approach. There are definitely alternatives, but if you're after a more luxurious, Italian-made product that has been tested in professional labs, this one stands out. Build quality is another win here. The packaging is sleek, the product feels well made, and everything about it screams high-end. Plus, the product feels like it will last a while, even with frequent use, which makes it a bit more justifiable in the long run. So, is this treatment worth it? If you're serious about hair care and looking for something that really delivers moisture, softness, and a glossy shine, this is definitely one to consider. It's great for those who want to rebuild their hair without a ton of effort. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you're itching to get your hands on it, the link is in the comments. As for customer support, while I haven't had direct interaction with dalla Palma's customer service, the brand has a solid reputation for delivering high-performance products. If you have any questions or concerns, I'd expect responsive and helpful support. If you're looking for a more affordable alternative, there are some good options out there, but none quite offer the same luxury experience and results as the dalla Palma Cheraplex kit. In conclusion, if you have moderately damaged hair and are looking for a treat that gives you salon-level results at home, I'd recommend giving this a try. It's a fantastic option for those seeking to bring back that smooth, glossy, and healthy look. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.